All right, here we go with lesson number 80. Lesson number 80, we're wrapping up Osaria. Now we started on 79. Computer sure is running slow right now, huh? All right, when it finally opens, you can come here to this link. Don't forget you're going to need your class code Draw Fire Hill if you have not logged in yet. So you might want to copy that. You are a student. Class code. Says you're joining that. Sign in with Google right here. Go ahead and click your name and then log in. All right, then continue, and you have today to finish this up. Sky Mountain.